In the previous video on access control, we talked about token ring and how it works. It passes the token from one computer to another in a ring, and if that computer has the token, it can transmit while it has the token. Let's look at a few other things about token ring. It was developed in the 70s, and then in the early 80s, IBM, by the way, developed it. They fought hard for it to beat out Ethernet. And it did gain some traction during the time. As you can see, they were, this is a little propaganda there, a little advertisement from IBM trying to sell the idea of token ring. The IEEE even had a token ring standard, 802.5. I always remember it because in the 12 Days of Christmas, we have 5 golden rings. And so because it's ring, I always remember it that way. Although there was a bus version of it in 802.4, by the way. Here's some of the media that it can use. It can use a specialized type of twisted pair. You notice this one has a conductor over here. So it's not kind of standard twisted pair in this case. However, coax was the most common type, and you see these really funky connectors on here. The coax token ring connectors were these big clunky looking things. And then down here we have a case of a fiber optic token ring, which had its own name called FIDI. And that's it for the brief view at token ring. We don't really talk about token ring much anymore because it's really not used much anymore.